We're here with Reese. What are we doing today?
Picking up garbage, solid waste. That's why you always want to tie your bags.
We're gonna hop in. Oh, we've got this little guy right here.
I think I can grab it. Like this is the best job I've ever had right here. So serious. All right on.
I guess you gotta say bye to you.
Yep. Yep. That's cool. Have a good trip. Drive careful. But I remember when a little boy was born, you get to see people come and go. You go out like this, and then you grip it. The gripper is right here. This is high, and then the bottom one's low speed. Then you slide it in, grip it, pull it back to the truck, pull it up, and dump it. And then you just let it, just kind of give it a little tap, make sure it's empty. Down and then out, open it up a little bit, and then open it the rest of the way. There's a can count here where I can see how many cans I do in a day. Like right now I'm at 626. And then you got your gear shift right here, reverse, drive, neutral, it's all right here. Just keep the totes 3 to 4 feet apart so you can get the grippers in there and be able to not knock over the other can for the other guy, the recycle guy or the yard waste guy.
By the way, guys, if you've ever been in here, there's not a lot of workspace in here. You're sitting on top of a giant engine. It's like he's controlling a transformer. Kids, if you like Transformers, you gotta do what Reese is doing. So do you have the ability to see actually what's inside as it's being dumped out?
Yeah, for the most part you can see it. You know, it's. I like the camera just because it's, you know, you can see if your tote's empty. Like with the recycle, James, he usually, if he sees a contaminated one, he can see it in the camera sometimes, and he'll mark them as contaminated.
So let's say, for example, I put my greasy pizza boxes in my recycling bin. You would be able to see that, huh?
Yep.
You could see that!
It's supposed to go into yard waste.
Pizza boxes are part of food scraps, really?
Yeah, you can put them in, I'm pretty sure you can put them in the yard waste.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Fascinating.
But we're not out to police it. We're not out to, you know, we want to just kind of make people aware that I had to pick one up off the ground.
Oh, that gentlemanly of you.
Wind. Like if the wind's blowing from the east or the south or whatever, north, and it's blowing really hard, you know, you can turn your lid so the lid stays down instead of the lid blowing up. You know, we can pick these sideways, you know, backwards, whatever.
Really?
Yeah. See, like this one sideways right here. I can actually come right in here and pick it up comfortably. This actually, we take this to the transfer station up here in Enumclaw, and then they take it to Cedar Hills landfill out in Maple Valley.
So you are coming into the transfer station just like every other civilian, weighing in and weighing out?
Yep. And then we come down here to the bottom, and then we'll back in the middle. Count is 766 tips. So that's houses I've picked up. There's 835 homes on today's route.
They're committed to what they're doing for Enumclaw, despite there not being a lot of accolades. Think about this. Most of the work that they're doing is taking place in pretty much empty city streets, when the rest of us are either still asleep at 5 a.m. or we've left and we're at our job, and they're going around making Enumclaw work, function, and making it beautiful. So I encourage you guys, next time you see someone emptying your trash, run out there, say thank you. I don't know, give them some cookies. Have your kid run out and have them honk the horn. That just lights them up. And yes, they might be doing it for a paycheck because we all have to buy groceries, but at the same time, they also do it for the people themselves. And so, City Council, I feel kind of bad that we're in the newspaper again and oh, what did Beau say? In all honesty, I'm not doing a lot compared to what these guys and gals are doing every single day. And that deserves a lot of thanks. So go out and say thank you to them. It's very, very important.